Hey guys, what's going on? Zach here from Kura Home. So today I want to show you how to set your humidifier from summer to winter. Super simple, anyone can do it. You want to do this around Q4, which is October, November, and December, especially here in Minnesota when we start getting that cool frost. So what you want to do, summer is vertical on this particular humidifier, and then winter is horizontal. So what it does here is this damper is closed right now for summer, not allowing humidity into the home. And then all we got to do is switch this dial over horizontally, and you can see it opens up that damper to allow humidity into the home. And then the last thing here, guys, you just want to set your setting right here. Sometimes these guys are on the thermostat upstairs. Most of the time they're going to be on your furnace, and you just want to set that setting to 30. See the little notch right there? Just allows a perfect amount of humidity in your home. Again, I'm Zach from Kura Home. This is how you do the settings for your humidifier. If you want to give us a call or look us up online, we have over 30 routine maintenance services.